face mask on. I have my matcha cup. This is my complete self-care, zen, grooming, shaving my hairy pits, shaving my hairy mustache type of Sunday. There's 3 important things that I do every Sunday to make sure that I'm ready for the week. Number 1 is we always go to church. We praise our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ over here, and it's Easter weekend. Then I do some cleaning up. Today we're gonna do our nails in this video, like at home French tip nail kit. My skincare. So let me stop yapping and let's get this video going. Okay, so I'm trying to grow my eyebrows out, which means I'm like trying to do minimal eyebrow shaving, but girl, they are out of control. Like just, oh my god, I feel like a Sasquatch right now. I'm gonna use this eyebrow shaver. Okay, so I don't even know if this works that well, but apparently you start shaving your eyebrows. So you can hear it, but it's not really taking off that much eyebrow hair well, but it's okay, because I really just need a little trim, a little something. While we're at it, let me take care of my mustache. I don't know about you, so normally I thread my mustache and my hair still grows back within like 2 business days. It's like my mustache wants to grow fast, but my eyebrows don't want to grow, and my hair doesn't want to grow. Like, can we switch it up, guys? So this is my entire skincare cabinet. One of these days, we're gonna organize this and I'll show you guys my favorite skincare products. Now that my face is done, let's wash with my Medicube Zero Pore Cleansing Foam. We're just gonna take a little bit, put some on my hands, and start washing my face. I'm gonna take my La Roche-Posay Hyaluronic Serum and we're gonna put this on my skin before the mask. Just really help my skin come out super glowy. So we're gonna take a couple of drops of this and put it all over my face and rub it in. I am absolutely a certified self-care girl. Like if it's Friday night and everybody's figuring out what are our plans, my plans are to stay home, do my face mask, watch Netflix. I'm a homebody, like what can I say? Okay guys, face is washed, skin is looking clear and tea, clock it. Now we're gonna do my Biodance Collagen Face Mask. I'm so excited to do these because like every time I do them, my skin just comes out 10 out of 10. We're gonna put this on and then that way it can just marinate while we're doing my nails. If you haven't tried these masks before, basically what you do is you put it on and you leave it on for like 3 to 4 hours. Sometimes I like to sleep in it. And it just completely rejuvenates your skin, gives you the glowiest face ever. Always have to be so careful with these masks because they're really delicate and they just rip so easily. Okay, let's start by putting the top one on. The best cooling feeling ever. It's so cold and slimy. I just kind of like how it feels on my skin now. We're gonna take the bottom piece and we're gonna put this on. Over and just smooth it out. So my face mask is completely on. I love to put the extra serum all over my neck and my hands. Like I said, we're gonna let this stay on for like 3 to 4 hours. We are about to give ourselves an at-home French tip pink nail salon experience. So come with me. As while my face mask was marinating, I went ahead and made myself a cute little matcha drink. I can just see my skin. Ooh. I just know my skin is gonna be 10 out of 10 once I take this face mask off. So let me just take a little quick sip. Okay, now let's actually do our nails. So this is the nail kit I got off of TikTok Shop. If you know, like 90% of the things in my house is from TikTok Shop. They come with like these different options for pink French tip. I think I'm gonna do like the light pink one, but they have like a light pink, like a hot pink, this like medium pink, all these different pink nail colors, which is like, oh, this is so perfect. And I am a short nail type of girl, and pink French tip is actually one of my favorite French tip colors. So I think I'm like, what color should I do? I think I'm gonna do this one today because I just like the color of it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're gonna start off by filing our nails and just making sure that they're buffed so that then the press-ons can go on and stay on and not fall off. So I'm literally just buffing all of my nails right now. I've never tried this set before, but if it turns out right, like if it comes out really good, do you know how much that would save me from getting my nails done? I mean, I haven't got my nails done in a while, but I mean, you know, girl, how much it costs to get our nails done. So this might be an amazing alternative. And then I think it says you gotta like wipe it with an alcohol pad before you put the press-ons, but it does come with like the gel, the kit. Guys, so I just did one nail. Do you see how good this came out? Like, this does not look like a press-on nail. This looks like I literally just got my nails done. Okay, let's try another one. I gotta find the right size for my nail so that I think this one fits. So we're gonna do that one. So the first step you do is you take the gel adhesive and then you put this on the back, like a thin coat on the back of the nail that you're gonna use, like this. I am just so happy I found this kit. My nails are gonna be done 24/7 and it's so easy to do. Okay, once you do that, then you put some on your nail, like that. You just take the press-on nail, push it underneath your cuticle, and press down until it stays there. And then you're gonna put it underneath the little gel light that this kit came with. So here's the gel kit. You just press the button and then you keep it under there for about a minute or two until the nail is ready. Go in and then you put this top coat on, and it's so easy to do. Okay guys, we're gonna do another, I'm gonna do the remaining two on here. The left hand I'm gonna do off, on my right hand I'm gonna do off camera because I know it's gonna be too hard. So let's find another matching size for my nail for this one right here. I'm actually having so much fun doing this. Like, it's so just easy to do at home and soothing. So I think this nail matches, so we're just gonna keep repeating the process.
In the city, remember you used to drive a Yukon, pick up another your call, in the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? When I stand on the roof gone, I pull up like Jimmy Neutron, we can help you get a move on, like you haul, and I know we need to go slow, but we could go faster. Maybe the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide, put me in the man, tryna get in the bed. So wanna get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? Falling in love, you babe. What would I do?
Okay, so this hand is done. They look so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and do this hand and I'll come back and show you guys the result. Okay guys, it's been a bit later. As you can see, my face mask is pretty much translucent. I took the bottom part off, but my nails are done. Yay! What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Osha body butter and we're just gonna put this all over my hands. Because like after you do your nails, girl, like duh, you gotta make sure your hands are moisturized. Oh, I love the way this smells. It smells like a combination of, it's like citrusy. So now we're gonna take some of the oils. I'm pretty sure it's in the same scent, so I can really get the full, oh, my nails are done, look. Okay, so like I said, my nails are done. Now what I really want to do is clean out my drawer in my bathroom. So that's what we're gonna get started with. And then these things I'm gonna leave out because we gotta empty out everything in here. And then I'm gonna like vacuum in this area and wipe it down. Sunday is always the best day to just like reorganize everything. And I've been meaning to do this part of my drawer for months. You know, girls, makeup gets in here, hair gets in here, literally everything you can imagine gets in this drawer. This is like a sample I had from Sephora. So we'll keep this and then we'll throw this container away. And yeah, so let's start vacuuming this part. Now we're gonna spray because you can see like my makeup stains are in there. So let's just go ahead and wipe this down. I added some hydrogen peroxide to here, and guys, the way all of my makeup stains are coming off so easily now, this is the best feeling ever. I just want to just wipe this whole thing down while we're at it. The drawer is completely clean. Now we can start by putting everything back in. So this is a makeup bag. I always keep this in here because I do my makeup in my bathroom. So we're gonna put that right there. These are my bonnets, my sleep scarves, like headbands. We're gonna go ahead and I was gonna like neatly fold these, but to be honest, I use them every night, so there really is no point. I don't know why there was a shirt in that drawer, but we're just gonna put that over there. The next thing we have is my straightener. I came with this like nice case, which I'm so grateful for because it makes it look neater when I'm not using, when I'm like putting it away. Put that right here on the side. Brush, my iron brush, and we will put that next to it. Next, we'll take my brush and my comb, and we'll put that right on the side there, so just fits in there like that. Okay, so my drawer is finally clean. It's so much cleaner in here. Oh my gosh, this was so needed. Kind of just spray the rest of my countertop here. I wanted to show you guys me cleaning my entire apartment, but honestly, it's getting dark outside and that would take forever. I'm gonna wipe my counter down. Right, now we're gonna clean the floor of my bathtub. We're gonna use some hydrogen peroxide, this all over. My favorite is when you can hear it like sizzling. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my little scrubber, which I use to clean with, and we're gonna start scrubbing all over. I like to give it a little minute to let it foam up, and then I go and clean it with soap and like my spray.
Think I lost my patience, and now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us, it's the way they painted. I'm the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just say I'm hard when it bothers me. It ain't love, what they see. But it ain't none to deserve, 'cause it is to me. So what? I tell you,
Guys, I'm done cleaning my bathroom. It's so clean. Oh my gosh. And if you were wondering about my curtains, I got them on Amazon. But there's just something about a clean bathroom that just makes everything in your apartment, in your home, feel so much better. Like I said, this face mask is long overdue. It's time I finally take it off all the way. I mean, you can just see how glowy it makes my skin. Okay, so to finish it off, since I already put a serum on before I put my face mask on, I'm just gonna take my Medicube Niacinamide Capsule Cream. I love this cream because it has these pink capsule balls in it, and it just gives me such a glowy skin, which I'm the type of girl that I want my skin to look so glowy, oily, whatever. Like, I just don't like a dry face at all. I don't know, I just love when my skin looks vibrant and alive. So all I do is just scoop some on this little scooper that it comes with. I put it on the back of my hand and I just take a little bit and I put it all over my face. And I just rub it in. Yeah, if I had an unlimited amount of those Biodance face masks, trust I'd be doing one of those every night because they just make my skin feel so soft. It's nighttime right now. I wanted to do so much more cleaning and show you guys, but for some reason, this Sunday reset took the whole Sunday. It is dark outside right now, so I'm gonna end the video here, but don't worry, babes, if you liked this video, luckily a Sunday comes every 7 days, so I definitely will be doing another Sunday reset next Sunday. So if you want to see another video like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure your notifications are on. And comment below something you do every Sunday that really just calms you down and preps you for the week. I'll see you guys next time.